friends, I hope so you all are fine. Welcome to my new video. In this video we will discuss about web hosting. So come to my Google screen and see here. What is web hosting? Web hosting explained for beginners. Web hosting is an online service that make your website content accessible the internet. When you purchase a hosting plan, you are renting space on a physical server to store all the website files and data. Web hosting provides the technical and resource required for the effective and secure operational for your website. They are responsible for keeping the server up and running, implement security measurement, and ensure that data such as texts, photos, and other files are transferred successfully to the visitor browser. In this article, you will learn what web hosting is, how it's work, and what are different types of web hostings available. What is web hosting? Web hosting is an online service that enable you to publish your websites or web application on the internet. When you sign up for a web hosting service, you basically rent some space on a physical server when you can store all the files and data necessary for your website to work properly. What is web hosting and how does it work? The server that hosts your website is a physical computer that runs continuously to make the site available for visitor all the time. Once a user enter your domain name into the browser address bar, they provide service will transfer all the file necessary to load your website. You can host a website yourself, but it requires technical skill entail setting up and configuring a web server from including the instruction hardware and software. Furthermore, you will also to handle all the ongoing maintenance. A hosting provides ensure that your website perform optimal and with better security protocols. In addition, it specifies the more complex aspects for hosting a website, from software installation to technical supports. Type of web hosting servers. With hosting options available, it can be challenging to determine which one is best for your website. Most web hosts offer different hosting packages for different types of customers, for business, websites owner to personal blog creators. Ideally, you should start with the simplest hosting solution. Once your site get more traffic, you can upgrade to a more advanced plan. Let's take a look at some of the most popular type of hosting available. Shared hosting. With shared hosting, multiple users share the same service resource including money, memory, processing power, and storage space. Because of its and affordability, shared web hosting is an excellent solution for small business and personal websites that do not require advanced configuration of higher. Hence, shared hosting is an excellent choice from beginners that need cheap hosting to start. Pros. Cost effective idea ideal for small scale website. Technical expertise is not required. Pre-configurations, servers options, no need to take care of maintenance and server administration. Cons. Minimal access to server configuration, increased traffic on other websites can affect your website speed. Virtual private server VPN hosting. With this hosting type, your website also shared a physical service with other users, but the web host create a virtual participation for other users. Sites hosting on virtual private servers get an amount of resource. VPS web hosting is a great option to medium-sized sites, e-commerce shop, and large blog with a a growing number of visitors. Pause. Dedicated server space. Increased traffic on other website has no impact on your site performance. Root access to the server. High customizability. Cons. Users, you need technical expertise to manage it. Even though it's reliability affordable, some users may have to hire a developer to manage the virtual server, increasing the overall cost. Cloud hosting. The hosting solution used several virtual services to host site. Thus, in one server experience high traffic or a problem, the remaining ones will take over the maintenance of website operating. Since cloud hosting relies on a customer of web services to functions, businesses with multiple websites and large scale sites like e-commerce shops can benefit the most from it, as it provides little to no downtime. Pause. Reduce likelihood of downtime and hardware failure. Use load balancing to handle high traffic and prevent attacks. Cons. Root access is not always provided. It is not expensive than VPS and share hosting. WordPress hosting. The type of server provide a WordPress optimized server environment to help you site load faster and minimize potential issue. However, other type of web hosting still work for website based on the popular content management system. Typically, WordPress hosting plans come with features such as pre-installed title plugin for core functions like security and other tools. For low cost and beginner friendly optimized performance for WordPress sites, customized sports team trained in WordPress issue pre-installed WordPress plugin and theme. Cons. Not an ideal type of hosting for non-WordPress website. Dedicated hosting. The type of hosting dedicated a physical server to each website. As a result, it allows you to configure the server, choose your desired operating system and software, and customize the entire hosting environment to your specification. Renting a dedicated server is just as powerful as having your own site server, but with added benefits of setting professional sports from your web hosting. The dedicated hosting is ideal for large online business that deal with heavy traffic. Pros. Complete control over the server configuration, high reliability, root access to the server. Cons. High cost, more oriented towards large businesses. Technical and server management technology is required. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.